There are many different types of classes offered at Carmel High School. One of the many classes offered are the computer science classes. I sat down with one of the computer science teachers to talk about the computer science classes here at Carmel and to figure out what computer science really is.
So computer science is such a broad term. I guess in general, it's the studying of computers and everything to do with them, but that could range anywhere from coding to protecting our computers, cybersecurity, just creating anything digitally, and then just also knowing the hardware and how the computers work.
There are many different computer science courses offered here so that there is something for everyone.
So at Carmel, we have about 5 computer science classes. There's 2 classes that you would want to choose between to start with for the entry courses, and those would be either AP Computer Science Principles or ACP Computer Science. So you could choose either of those to start with, and those just give a nice broad overview of computer science. If you don't have room for a full year class, you could also take our Intro to Computer Science class, which is just a semester. And then after you've taken one of those entry classes, the full year classes, you could choose between either cybersecurity or AP Computer Science A. Cybersecurity is going to teach how to protect our stuff on the computer and protect from hackers. And then Computer Science A is a coding class that's specifically focusing on Java.
And in these classes, there is no expectation that you will pursue computer science as a career.
I always just come in with the assumption that their students are not necessarily going to do this as a career. I wouldn't assume just because you're in the computer science class that that's your career path. I definitely have so many students that take it as more of an elective because they think it'll support what their career is going to be, or they just want to know about computer science because we all use it. I think the computer science classes, the main goal is just to expose people to computer science. It's not something that's required, so not all students get exposed to it. It shows some really cool careers and jobs that you can see. So I hope students are inspired by that. And then also just really enhances your critical thinking and logical thinking skills.
In addition to the classes, there are also computer science competitions that take place.
So definitely keep your eyes peeled for some events. The week in December, we do Computer Science Ed Week, and the Computer Science Honor Society puts on some different events that students can join. We also have, by the Computer Science Honor Society will also periodically do some competitions, and those can be virtual competitions that anyone can join from different coding levels. And then just some of the clubs that we have. You don't have to be in computer science to join some of the clubs. One of them I know is Girls Who Code, and then another one we have is a hack club. So just being aware of those clubs.
If you are interested in signing up for a computer science class next school year, you can make an appointment to talk to your counselor. Reporting for CHTV, I am Jack Ringenberg.